Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Sarah. I'm a new YouTuber based in Imo State, to be precisely. If you're a new subscriber, you are highly welcomed. And if you're yet subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. Yeah, subscribe, like, comment, share, press the notification bell for you to be notified when I post a new video. Yeah, so today guys, I want to carry you guys along. Yeah, I've come in another dimension by posting new videos on a daily basis. Yeah, you'll be seeing videos from me back to back. Yeah, as you guys can see, I'm just coming back from the market, so I said to carry you guys along. I want to cook this corn. Actually, I bought this corn in the morning. You guys should not mind the way it's looking. I bought this corn in the morning. I've already removed the bag by myself. So these 6 pieces of corn goes for 1,000 naira. Is it a good buy? Like, is it a good buy? How much is corn in your area? The last time I bought corn, I think the roasted corn, this size goes for 400 naira. This size goes for 400 naira. So see, five for 1,000. Then one, you guys, I cooked in the morning. I cooked up in the morning. Then it happened that my phone battery was. That's why I was so see. Anyways, so I want to go ahead and cook this corn now. I will use the back in the morning. Like I said earlier, this is the sweetest one that I've made so far. Since I started doing I think I'm beginning to protect myself before making. So let's go ahead and wash it.